Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sound and music in Data Wing. If you want to enjoy Data Wing in complete silence, maybe during class, work, or simply for focus, turning on the game's sound and music is quick and easy. First of all, open the Data Wing application on a device, and once you're inside this main home screen, tap on the gear button at the bottom center. Once you open up the settings menu, go ahead and look for the SFX and music option. Tap on both of these switches and make sure that they're turned off. Once you have these two options turned off, you can enjoy the game in silence and the change will take effect immediately. You can now head back to the home page and start the game, and you've successfully turned off all the sound and music in Data Wing. Now you can enjoy silently navigating neon pathways without any audio distractions. If you ever want the sound back, simply return to the same menu and toggle on the switches back on and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.